we're going to be taking tint off the front windows of my husband's 2005 Trailblazer. Reason why we're taking it off is because it's coming off already. So the things you're going to need is hair dryer, razor blade, and then when you get the tint off the truck window, you're going to need Windex and some paper towel, because you're going to have a bunch of the old glue and stuff on the windows, and that'll just make it all clean and everything. So I think I'm going to get started on this window. All over the window. I'll do it. She's gonna take the razor blade and clean it all off. Alright guys, so we moved the window, see where all this is coming off. We gotta peel this window. We got the driver's side done, so we're gonna do this one. We're gonna get our blow dryer in. Here, hold that. Blow dry. Oh, might come off a lot easier than that other one. The one I needed. A little bit with it. Yeah! Yeah! Mom? What, baby?
Alright.
Yeah, more.
Now it's time for me to
take it off.
take
All this nasty glue stuff. The window, got a little bit more stuff on here that I'm trying to get off the window. Yes, a little bit more glue. That looks like I about got it all. Looks like it got it. Alright guys, that's all we got from Red Park Garage. Thanks for watching.